2021 Ram Power Wagon engine, release date, interior. Often the 2021 Ram Power Wagon definitely should maintain without the need for more significant changes. Although the Light Source Responsibility 1500 brand is nearly prepared, these types of major obligation styles continue to in improvement. Newest records advise that the era of the variations, as mentioned earlier, will happen through the course of next season. Considering this type is indeed a variation of HD 2500 model, it is attractive visible that most of us are not likely to see more significant changes for the upcoming 12 months. Also, your 2021 Power Wagon will, in all probability, keep entirely identical. There are two reasonable grounds. In the first place, this release came up only 24 months prior. Likewise, we uncertainty that the company's designers have the time to make an effort in this minute when new development is inside the overall progression. Talking about the unveiling time frame, it must occur at the end of the year. 2021 Ram Power Wagon redesign. Exterior design. Modifications relating to the 2021 Ram Power Wagon are usually not desired. This kind of variant continues likewise, for the reason that the company's almost all qualified truck concerning this off-road gain. As opposed to most of Ram 2500 selection, the brand contains countless other exclusive design features. You can actually observe assorted style adjustments about it, which emphasize truck's off-road characteristics. Yet, still, it is essential of this particular variation is when considering technical modifications. Oftentimes there are serious chassis tunings, manufactured for improved off-road shows. It is not merely about much larger wheels. You can find an utterly new suspension. Also, the chassis appears to have been bolstered for virtually any tad bit. Apart from those above visible and mechanized changes, 2021 Ram Power Wagon might also include an extraordinary report on general functionality. Interior design. This type is much more recognized compared to all of those other selections. This may also be a realized interior. You can find several extraordinary information on the dash, and also quite a fantastic group of common tools. Several of the distinctive standard abilities are remote control ignition, vigor modifiable pedals, top container chairs, and menu structure. Also, trust in things such as twin region environment management, premium sound system, 8.4 touchscreen display, and so on. Apart from the extensive list of conventional apparatus, additionally, there is a total couple of standalone suggested characteristics. For instance, there are many non-obligatory qualities like decorative pull mirrors, a freight-side DSLR camera, fifth tire trailers organizing, off-road auto tires, a compact disc participant as well as a sunroof. 2021 Ram Power Wagon engine. Nearly all of 2,500 choices that are offered in 3 or more powertrain versions, that one is explicitly provided, which includes a knowledgeable 6.4-liter device. It possesses a maximum production of 410 HP and 430 lb tiptoes of torque, and also comes in a set employing a 6 full-speed automated transmission. With your details, you could expect not anything, only outstanding shows. Always, this engine is relatively dehydrated, so do not expect fantastic fuel economy statistics. While we mentioned previously, other choices can be obtained with 2 extra motors from the present. Bottom-level varieties commonly include a 5.7-liter V8, but additionally, there is a 6.7-liter diesel engine on the deal. 2021 Ram Power Wagon price and release date. The 2021 Ram Power Wagon definitely should come at the end of the year. Talking about price, we do not presume changes as opposed to the latest product, which proceeds all around $54. This might often be the model's recent development, while there is a newly designed edition coming next season. Thanks.